For 3 years now, we have watched hundreds of qualified Jamaican teachers walk away from our classrooms, not only from the profession, but from the country. They are being poached by foreign systems that offer them what we refuse to: respect, resource, and a real future. To be clear, Mr. Speaker, this is not a natural phenomenon. It's a policy failure. We have repeatedly asked the government how many teachers have left over the last 5 years. How many classrooms are without specialist teachers? What is the plan? It is clear, Mr. Speaker, there is no plan. Only press releases. And while the government fiddles, schools are left scrambling to import teachers from all over, from Ghana, without cultural orientation, without a clear strategy, a mere few days before the school term. Meanwhile, what is the result? Only 18% of our students are passing 5 or more CSEC subjects, including maths and English. That means 82% are not academically equipped to access quality jobs, tertiary education, or meaningful advancement in life. That is the cost of teacher migration. That is the cost of policy neglect. Indeed, Mr. Speaker, this nation cannot continue to have any more Pembroke Hall high schools, cannot have more students entering high schools unable to read and write, Madam Speaker.